Have you ever wanted to auto-number some of your text? I don't mean a numbered list, I mean to sequentially number items in your text at different points, not necessarily next to each other. Hi, my name's Juliet, and today we're experimenting with auto-numbering in Scrivener 3 for Windows. Auto-numbering is achieved by using code in your document. This can be found by selecting the Insert Auto-Number function and choosing the numbering style you want. Now, of course, this doesn't change the text formatting, so if you want the number to stand out from the text, you might want to create an indent or add spacing. And you can have multiple types of auto numbers in your manuscript. As you can see, each type of numbering has a slightly different code, so you could just learn the one for what you need and type it when required. Or, so you don't have to fiddle with all the greater than and less than signs, you could create an autocorrect to help you along. I don't mean the normal autocorrect in Options, but an autocorrect list, like you find in script templates, for example. To do this, highlight the text, go to the Edit menu, Completions, add selection to autocomplete. Then, next time you want an auto number, just type the less than sign and you'll get the pop-up list. Why might this numbering be useful? Well, the obvious answer is for numbering figures and such like, although you can do that in other ways. You might simply want to number each paragraph directly in the text, rather than trying to sort that out in Compile. Or you might have some specific numbered format you have to submit your document in. Let's look at the printout. I've made the text red so it stands out, because, as I said earlier, you probably will want to play around with the formatting a little, perhaps by adding indents. But it works well. If you want to know a little more about numbering in Compile, check out this video here.